much, Bob, for giving me this amazing chance. And congratulations to Paul, Thailand, Shibu! I can't believe this situation. You know? I'll speak English. Can you believe this? No! My 350 class interview. It's me. Sorry. When I was maybe 5 months ago, many people can remember me. When I met foreigners, I just passed by. But now, wow! Just wow! I can speak English. So, let's start my presentation. I want to talk about 3 things that inspired me. It is a feeling of enthusiasm you get from someone or something, which gives you new and creative ideas. It is an inspiration. Thomas Edison said, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. When people analyze this famous saying, most people think he's talking about how important effort is, but it's not his intention. Can you believe if Edison didn't have 1% inspiration? No. Without at least 1% inspiration, our 99% of effort would be useless. Therefore, inspiration is one of the really important things we need. So, I was thinking about 3 things what gave me new and creative ideas. Then, I thought of 3 things: computer, phrases, and my mentor. This is the first thing that inspired me. It is a computer. When I saw a computer for the first time, I was 10 years old. At the time for me, computer was not just calculator or game machine, but something that I studied about. Fortunately, I got a chance to go to a computer competition in elementary school. But I had only studied computer little. But I felt it was very exciting. So I got full computer license, and I hope that I would study computer engineering in university. My dream was to be a programmer. Computer was the things that first gave me a dream. It has influenced me until now. So I have studied many computer languages in university. Next are some famous phrases from celebrities. First is this sentence written by Greg S. Wade. A dream written down with dates becomes a goal. A goal broken down becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes your dream come true. I read some books about the value of dream, so I already believe dreams are really important. But this phrase summarized those books in one sentence and taught me how to achieve my dreams. Next sentence written by Gosungeok, a lawyer. Even if we have same condition, effort is the certain method to make difference from each other. Through this phrase, I realized that making effort is the most important thing for me. So that's the reason why I'm the student to arrive this training center earliest each morning. The last thing to inspire me is my mentor, named Do-Young-hwan, who runs his company. I met him about 5 months ago during Korean University Students Project. Since then, I have met him monthly. Like this. He is really similar to person I wanna be. He has PhD degree and owns IT company and lives a good life. Even if he works really hard and it's very difficult, he always smiles. Before I met him, I already knew how important plans and dreams were, but I didn't know how to write my plan for my future. Now, he has reviewed things for me, such as my plan and personal mission statement and my bucket list. So now I can plan my future. I can plan my future and personal mission statement with conviction, because I am a teacher who is already successful. Recently, he asked me a question. Why can't you die right now? Can you answer right now? It was really hard for me. It was really hard for me to find this answer. So I searched the answer for a month. Finally, I discovered my answer. First, I haven't done anything for the person who I love. Second, I haven't rewarded any of the people who love me, especially parents and my grandparents. Finally, I have a dream that I really want to achieve. Those are my answers. I think the 3 things that inspired me make me feel alive and living with so much energy. First, computer. First, computer gave me a dream, although it was ambiguous at the time. Second, phrases make me continue doing what I want to do and do it with passion. Finally, my mentor. He helps me decide who I want to be and what I want to do, so I can move forward with conviction. Of course, I didn't mention Coach Park because everybody knows that. Coach Park gave us a new road. It is the way to live with English. Also, sorry. My memories. Also, my parents are the basis of everything. I couldn't do anything without them. That's all I prepared. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation. And congratulations, 1,000 class again. Thanks to all my coaches and my classmates and my trainer Harry. So it was really precious time for me. I will never experience this time again. Thank you. Are there any questions for me about the presentation or the course? Julie? send us.
Hello, I'm Pooh. In Julie, I am Julie in Pooh.
I always accept my mentor. I met my mentor during Korean University student project. It's I saw that in this year February. I saw some notice in my university website. It's some Korean scholarship company posted that, and I handed my application and I nailed it. So there were 300 mentee and 3,000 mentee and 300 mentor. So there were 10 members in our team. So I can meet him monthly. So that's it. That's my way to meet my mentor. Anything else? Yes. Sandra, you have to say.
When you train English, who influenced you the most in training?
It's really hard.
I used all my money. I lost everything.
I know. Everybody know Coach Pa exception.
And next.
First.
Point for this.
First question. My 350 class home coach. Yeah. First gave me some way to learn English. So. And so. Also. Coach Song, Kelly, Coach O, Monica. Kevin, my 1,000 classmate, homeroom teacher, Kevin. It's really hard. Coach Park, thank you. 치킨. my 700 homeroom teacher, Coach Kim. homeroom teacher. homeroom teacher. Anything else? Oh. Okay.
I saw you every time you smile and happy. I want to question to you. What think about the smile? What do you think about the smile? Smile. You always smile and happy.
Honestly, there's a little thinking. You don't think so? This training center make me fun.
Yeah.
Sure. Everything make me fun. Coach dance, coach everything dance, and my classmates everything make me fun. There is no time to depress. So that's the reason. 그렇지 마.